Hello, my name is Naomi and I'm a workshop technician here at TraumaSim. I'm one of the people responsible for handling the production of our medical training simulator products, and I've developed this cool little simulated clot product that can be used in conjunction with some of our haemostatic clotting trainers. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to properly handle and use the SimClot. To use the SimClot effectively, make sure hands are slightly damp or moisturized before excessively handling the product. The SimClot will stick to overly dry hands, but can be removed easily by using a small lump of the product to collect it, kind of like blue tack, or by rubbing your hands together or rinsing your hands in water. Check to see if the SimClot is fully combined before using. Minor separation can occur in the jar after a period of time. This is done by simply using a single finger to push the surface product down to the bottom to knead it through to ensure an even consistency throughout. I like to take it out of the jar to fully check. The SimClot contains a non-toxic colouring agent. It's worth noting that some colour transfer can sometimes occur and may be visible on hands. It can easily be washed off the skin, but may stain light-coloured clothing. The SimClot can be easily separated by using a swift jerking motion, causing it to break away. Pulling at the product slowly will cause it to stretch instead. The SimClot does not stick on contact to gauze or most fabrics. However, if it's left to settle on top of the gauze, it will seep into the fabric. The SimClot can also be submerged in water for demonstrations, but leaving submerged for longer than an hour is not recommended. The SimClot can be kneaded for a few minutes to remove excess water if it's intended for multiple demonstrations, but we recommend that each clot be disposed of after use and not put back into the main jar, as it may contaminate and reduce the efficiency of the remaining product. Here's an example of how to use our SimClot with one of our haemostatic clotting trainers. Do not store in temperatures exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. If possible, we recommend that the SimClot be stored in a refrigerator or a cool area when not in use, as it helps to extend the lifetime of the product. Exposure to air over an extended period may alter the simulated clot and cause it to dry out, so be sure to replace the cap tightly after use. We hope you have fun using our simulated clot product. Our team is happy to take any questions or feedback you might have. Thanks for watching.